Need to upload all your subjects at once? With BestoLMS, you can do it quickly and error-free. Let's walk through the steps. Start by going to your dashboard in the side menu and click on Excel Import from the above tabs. Here, download the subject's Excel template. This template comes with a set of instructions and validations. Make sure to read and follow them carefully to ensure a smooth, error-free upload. Now, fill in all the details class-wise, including subject name, description, whether it's a core subject, the full marks, passing marks, and if it includes practical or theory sections. Double-check the information and save your Excel file once you're done. Head back to the BestoLMS dashboard. Select the subject import template and upload your saved Excel file. After uploading, review the summary. If everything is green, that means your file is validated successfully. Click on Import Records, and all your subjects will be added, automatically and grade-wise, in just a few seconds. Important note: always follow the correct sequence of bulk uploads, as some uploads depend on others. For example, make sure the related data, like classes or grades, are uploaded before subjects to avoid errors. Simple, smart, seamless. That's BestoLMS, making academic management effortless.